Okay. So yours truly needs to make the hole bigger. For some reason, that's just not fitting. I thought it would fit. Apparently, I was wrong. It's a nice idea, though. So there's the little wee ground wire. I mean, if I could come up this way, I would, but I can't. What is that? What does it do? Okay, okay, get a bigger bit. When in doubt, bigger hole. Not by much. Okay. Hard to leave it. Okay. This might seem barbaric. It probably is. Let's put some real light on what I'm doing here. There. All I'm trying to do is ream the hole a little bit bigger. And not by much, right? I could get a bigger bit that would make size on size or something. But come on, work. Who's your friend? Who's your buddy? There you go. That looks like it'll fit now. Almost time for a new coat. Almost. Oh, shut that off. We know that. Wow, we know that that switch really works now. Okay, just size on size a little bit more there. Can't go too big, and you can't go in too far because there's wires everywhere. Starting to feel like Brutus the Barber Beefcake. Okay, so let's face it, this is going to go into here. And that's going to lock that. Come on, why won't you listen? Just... Okay. Let's set you like so I can actually see what the heck it is I'm doing. What in the heck? Is that the threaded one? That should be threaded. Yep, that's gotta be. Probably is. Come on. Don't fight me. I will lose. Okay. All right, so switch is on. Looks like it's lighting up. Let's go do a test look for disappointment purposes only. Okay, let's do a test look. Switch is there. All right, so you can see we got everything back together here. Looks pretty good. I got to do some touch up. When we painted the vehicle, we didn't have the hood open, so I'll do that today. Put the seat covers on, put steering wheel cover on. Then I think she's an official Craigslist rebuild. Well, it's hard to tell that they're on, so what we'll do is Ah, you can see that they're on. Maybe if we just zoom in, there you go. Okay, let's go close up the wire. Okay, folks. All right, that'll do it for today. Obviously, as you can see, I got a lot of cleanup to do in here and organizing, and I got to go run the snowblower outside. All right, thanks. Have a good day. Click like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.